Well, now as you remodel or do other things, upgrades to your home, is your insurance still the right insurance coverage for your home? And I think that as we work through the challenges, I mean, just alone of one, dealing with a fire, dealing with the restoration process, the construction process, but to find out that you may be underinsured because the value of your home was assessed 10 years ago, 20 years ago when you initially, signed for your insurance or bought your house. Now you may be underinsured. So it's really, really important to make sure that you have the right coverage. The other thing is ask around, ask somebody that's been through the process. I suggest that you ask other people so that they may talk about a circumstance where they made a claim. Relationships are key, but also making sure that communication is a key factor in any loss, no matter what it is, and especially in fires. I mean, fires usually mean you're not going to be in your home. You're going to be living somewhere else with a relative in a hotel, whatever, while the construction is being completed or conducted. So make sure that that communication is there. As painful as it is, the last thing you want is to make sure you have good communication.
I mean, that was so insightful and helpful. I think one of the things people don't think about, and you really want to go back to it, of what you said, is making sure you have the right coverage every single year. So whether you're a resident and a homeowner and you upgraded your backyard, you did some remodeling in your kitchen, or if you're a multifamily and you did upgrades, right, to the property, right? The challenge is if you're not notifying your insurance company when it comes to you, right, as a restoration company, you're not going to get enough money to be able to rebuild it the same way. So I think that's really important that we focus on that first, because for me, I know that we want to make sure that we have the right coverage, because you're going to put all your blood, sweat, and tears to make it the way you want it. And then they're going to expect you to rebuild it, but you have to make sure you have that coverage.